How to change profile picture on Talkie Soulfoul AI account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change profile picture on Talkie Soulfoul AI account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, on your mobile device, open up the Talkie application. After that, head towards the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, just below your profile name, there you'll find this edit icon on your right hand side. Tap on it. Now under the edit profile at the top on your profile picture section, there is a small camera icon. Tap on it. Now from your gallery, you have to select the photo that you want to see it as your profile picture. Now you can crop your image the way you want. Once done, tap on done at the bottom right corner. And with that, your profile picture is now changed on your Talkie Soulfoul AI account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.